Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a wealthy merchant with his 3 daughters. The youngest, named Belle, was not only the most beautiful, but also the kindest and most intelligent. Belle loved to read books and dreamt of adventures beyond her village. One day, the merchant received news that one of his ships, which he thought had been lost at sea, had returned. Excited, he prepared to leave for the city to reclaim his fortune. Before he left, he asked his daughters what they would like him to bring back. The eldest daughters asked for fine clothes and jewels, but Belle only asked for a single rose, as none grew near their home. On his way back, the merchant became lost in a dark and mysterious forest. He wandered until he came upon a magnificent castle. The gates were open, and though he called out, no one answered. Cold and weary, he entered the castle and found a table laden with food. The merchant ate and rested in the castle's luxurious bed, thinking it a miracle. The next morning, as he prepared to leave, he noticed a beautiful rose garden outside. Remembering Belle's request, he picked a single rose. Suddenly, a fearsome beast appeared and accused him of theft. The beast threatened to kill the merchant for his crime, but relented when the merchant explained it was for his daughter. The beast agreed to spare his life if he would send Belle to the castle in his place. Heartbroken, the merchant returned home and told Belle what had happened. Without hesitation, Belle volunteered to go to the beast's castle to save her father. When she arrived, the beast treated her kindly and gave her beautiful clothes and delicious meals. Despite his frightening appearance, Belle saw that the beast had a gentle heart. Each evening, the beast asked Belle to marry him, but she always refused, saying she could only see him as a friend. The beast accepted her decision, but continued to hope that one day, she would change her mind. Over time, Belle began to care for the beast, seeing past his exterior to the kind soul within. She was allowed to explore the castle, where she discovered a magical mirror that let her see anything she wished. Missing her father, she asked to see him and was horrified to find him gravely ill. The beast allowed Belle to return home to care for her father, but he warned her that if she did not return within a week, he would die of a broken heart. Belle promised to return, and with the help of the beast's magic, she was instantly at her father's side. Her sisters, jealous of Belle's beautiful clothes and happiness, tried to keep her from returning to the beast by delaying her. After a week had passed, Belle had a terrible dream that the beast was dying in the castle's rose garden. She immediately set out to return, realizing that she loved him after all. When she arrived, she found the beast lying on the ground, barely alive. She wept over him and told him she loved him. As her tears fell, the beast was transformed into a handsome prince. The castle, too, changed, becoming even more magnificent. The prince explained that he had been cursed by an enchantress and that only the love of a kind and beautiful maiden could break the spell. By confessing her love, Belle had saved him. Belle and the prince were married in a grand celebration. They invited Belle's father and all the villagers to live in the castle, where they were happy and prosperous. Belle and the prince ruled wisely and lovingly, ensuring that their kingdom flourished, and so, Belle and her beast, now a prince, lived happily ever after.